All right, so short week. All right. Hope everyone's having a great one. Short week this week. So we could see some, in my opinion, some downside activity. Let's take a look at this economic calendar to see what we got coming up at least. This is oh, okay, we're over here. Okay, now economic indicators at 10. That doesn't really ring a bell as that important to me, in my opinion. We got a Fed speaker Thursday. All right, so Thursday. All right. So, trying to paint a picture in my head with this data. All right. All right, so what we got? SPY. Let's talk about SPY. All right, let's talk about SPY. All right, clear as day, double top. We're not even gonna second guess that. We got double top projection going on. So yes, it's looking like a recipe for the Bears, most likely. I don't think we're gonna drop heavy. Probably slightly under the 9. I'll say around here. I'm expecting maybe a bounce. But nothing's giving me signs or indication that we're gonna try to push up. This looks heavy. We got the Mac. Yeah, already slicing through. Yeah. So yeah, be careful for the puts tomorrow, I'll say. So levels that I will watch to go short will obviously most likely be 498.50. So 498.50 is a good level in my opinion to watch to go for puts. So let me put this here for you guys. Long, let's not even put the long. It's not looking like a long one yet. All right, but obviously you go on the highs of Friday, you could say the wicks, not the highs, the wicks highs, the wick highs, because it's almost lining up with this wick high. So you could obviously look at that break for longs, but yeah, we're looking bearish, looking like bearish happening. So now let's talk about these Qs. Qs very similar, very similar. If anything, Qs look weaker because this rejection is lower than this one, so there's a lower rejection happening, and this is heavy as well. So. And the MAC is very, very strong to the downside on the daily pattern. So this could go to the 21, honestly, or near the 21. So for 27.30, we could start trying to see some bounce, hopefully. I don't think it's gonna dump under that and go towards 50. So for shorts, I would be patient, most likely. Yeah, 429. Sneaky entry will be that 29.05 for 29.05 for the shorts. I think if it loses that, it's definitely gonna go to at least what's that 426? Yeah. So it's not a bad reward, almost $3. So the way it's looking right now, the market could open up red. I'm not gonna lie. Just the way I'm seeing things. So let's talk about Apple. The worst ticker of the past 2 weeks, I'll say almost. No bounce at all, this thing. You see, look, yeah, Apple don't even look strong. So look at this. Yep. Oh man, yeah, it's heavy. Look at this. Like it tried to pivot on this RSI pattern right here. You see it tried it and it was like a weak, a weak ass leg and it just it dropped more. So it broke recent strong support area, which is around here, which is almost around here as well. So it's already breaking this one technically. And like I said, we open up more red, it's gonna already break it. So it's gonna probably dip like to down here or it's close to the oversold area, in my opinion. So Apple looks bearish, in my opinion. Don't look strong. So if you want to try to get shorts, 181, what was she? 181. Yeah, it will have to be 180, 130 area to be on high watch, but I think it's gonna open up lower than that, in my opinion. So talk about Microsoft. Let's talk about let's do these two at a time like we usually do. Oof, Microsoft. Well, Microsoft looks heavy, guys. I got the alert there already for y'all, so watch for shorts. But nothing strong about Microsoft. Oh man, yeah. Oof, super strong downside. The end of the day drop on Friday killed the market, I'll say. I think that end of the day drop was the trend setter to the downside. That's just my prediction. So yeah, Microsoft could definitely drop. I'm talking about at least to 399 and then 397.80 area. So those two areas are Microsoft. Amazon, on the other hand, Amazon don't look that bad. So what happened with Amazon? ER gap up rip, right? It's showing that it wants to hold so far, that ER move to the upside. Here it kind of tested it and it reclaimed levels. And this is a higher low. If it holds here, it tries to go higher. So Amazon could go either up. Yeah, Amazon could go either way. But this don't look that friendly, the Mac. You have to be very patient for the longs. I will watch it above 171.45 or so to go long. The puts could get in around 167.30 and ride it to what? $2 almost. So yeah, you could watch 167.30, I'll say. But to try to go for puts on Amazon, let me put an alert since the market looks overall heavy. I'm gonna put the bear alerts. It's crazy because I was looking at my watches and I've seen some upside. So it could be a sector rotation. So just because the SPY and Qs look ugly, there could be a bull move on the other side. It could be a bull move on silver. It could be a bull move on gold, So just keep that in mind. All right. Amazon, Meta, uh Netflix. Netflix was fire last week, swing, man. Oh, Netflix is heavy. Oh, yeah, Netflix has heavy, heavy, heavy red candle on resistance there, guys. So a lot of heavy, heavy names so far. So Netflix looks heavy. Meta looks heavy. Meta's probably gonna go to the 9, which is what, 465, and then try to bounce from there. I'm gonna put it right here to watch. Just to see if we can really bounce. If it bounces, then we could get a nice upside bounce. But the good thing that I do like about all of these, even though they do look heavy, all the Macs are still on the positive side. So the trend basically is still bullish. So if it was to the negative, then it'll be a negative trend. But let's just take it as a normal pullback as of now until tomorrow, basically. Uh, Tesla, Google, and then that's it. We off to the races, yeah. Start talking about some names that I think look bullish to me, but all these names look. I Google looks heavy. Yeah, Google might drop to 430, 138.50. Let's put an alert here, and not for the shorts. We're trying to get the bounce because that's already one, two, three, four red days on Google. So well, chances are there's gonna be a bounce coming. It might be a play the reject type of week. So we catch the bounce, then time the reject. So Google bounces off of 138.40. You could possibly ride it to almost 140, then try to get in shorts. So let's see what happens. Tesla. Okay, Tesla looks interesting. This is why I called the swing. We held on the 21. So this could build a flag pattern still, because the bottom of this candle is slightly lining up with the top of this candle. So it could easily be a flag pattern to go up. And we're gap filling. We're already gap filling. So, and RSI looks good and the MACD looks good. Both look good. So Tesla and Amazon are the ones that look bullish. All the other ones look like they're gonna go to hell tomorrow for a little bit, not for a long time. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, number one, Target. Let's see how Target looks. Oh, let's see how Urban Outfitter looks. Hey, Urban. Okay, Target. See, Target don't look weak. This looks strong. We could possibly have a day 4 of green on Target, just waiting till it breaks this resistance area. So this name looks good. It could be a pre-ER thing, I don't know. But Target looks good. And this looks good. Everything, Mac and our side, right? So Target, okay.
Walmart has earnings tomorrow morning.
Yes, sir. We got Urban Outfitters that doesn't look bearish. They have earnings not too far out next week, Tuesday. So this is basically a bullish engulfing going on. So I will watch Urban tomorrow. Retail. Um, okay, so off that bullish engulfing on the daily. Both look good, RSI and MAC. I haven't touched this name in a long time. Small account friendly. Let's look, see how that one looks. eBay. Let's see how eBay looks. Okay, so this looks, we got a little golden cross going on here. We got the 21. Wait, where's the 50? Oh, it's here. I gotta change the color. I'm sorry, guys. Let me change the color real quick. There we go. All right. And thicker. There you go. All right. Yeah, we got the 50, 21, VWAP, 9, all crisscrossing. Once it cracks, we should go higher. RSI is telling us we should go up. So I'll watch this one. eBay almost looks just as good as Target. Thing about eBay is that we hold it above this 200, which is good. It's good for us. So let me see. Mac and RSI look good too for bulls. And hence Amazon look good. Remember we was talking about Amazon, the only one that looks bullish with Tesla. So eBay kind of falls in line with Amazon. So I like eBay. So I'm gonna watch eBay around. I'll watch it around like for a pullback entry. I'll say around here. Or let's see, we got a pullback because those are strong candles the past 3 days. They might do a pullback and then try to go higher. And their earnings is next week, Tuesday, like the other one. eBay looks good. You see, this is what I'm saying. Some of these names look good to go up just because SPY and Qs need to digest. Doesn't mean these other guys need to. So let's see. All right, so we got General Mills, right? So they've been getting hit kind of low key with crafts. A little downside look since over here, I could say since what's this? The 31st January. Look, they've been getting basically downside trends, so it could be start up and upside. We got tomorrow, hopefully this switches to one of these green ones on the Mac and we go higher. That's my humble opinion. I'm gonna look at 60-40 level because I think the 65s are worth it. All right, Campbell Soup, right? We got a little double bottoming going on here. It's obviously holding here. Um, this looks okay. MACD looks okay too. So we gotta get out of this price range in order for me to like it. So I'm gonna wait till we get up here. 41.80. Campbell Soup. They also have earnings. I believe that's like next month though. UL Unlever Lever PLC. Com. Let's see what com. All right, we got a gap up on this. This is like a cup right here. This is a cup. Yeah, this is definitely a cup. Nice cup. All right. Okay. This looks good. All right. After the cup gap up, because it did slightly gap up from here to the next. Yeah, the switch got a little space. Okay. I'll watch the crack of the wick to see what happens. All right, Carmine Foods. What we got here? What we got here? Okay. A little big resistance crate. Yeah, we got a little supply here that we need to get through. Once we get out of this, hopefully it could turn into some demand. So we gotta, I'll say above, let's do 58.20. Let's give it 5 more cents wiggle room. But we look good on these two indicators. Let's see if we crack that supply area. Next, save. I gotta save on those. McDonald's. Okay, save. This is not a bad setup. I mean, just to entice some buyers out of this demand area. This is demand. So we got a nice uptrend, right? The building on save. So as long as we hold above, I think 695, we're good to go. I'm gonna see how we look. Let me put in 695 for the longs. You look good on these two. McDonald's don't look bad either. Oh, Mac looks like it might crisscross finally. 3 days, fourth day green possibly. Okay. And everything's crisscrossing through right now. 9, 21.50. Only one missing is the 200. But yeah, everything's crossing. I watch McDonald's around here if I was, yeah. Wait, let's do 80. Do 80. 92, 92, 80. On McDonald's next. Intel made the list this weekend. Oh, this one moved. A little post-earning move. Oh, Intel looks heavy. Oh, we got a bear play here. Yep. Yeah, Intel might. Yes. Intel looks heavy, team. I watch Intel right here, right below 43.25. So this is a bear play. This one, post earnings continuation, day 2. Just gonna watch it, but let's see if we can get the pullback. Let's see if we can get the pullback on toast. Yeah, if it's gonna pull back, it's gonna be around here. Let's say 10, 22.10. Yeah, that's about, okay, that's not that bad. All right, so Intel bearish, guys. So chips looking heavy. if Intel snitching. CME Group, Pan W. I think Pan W has earnings going on or something. I'm not sure. Yeah, they do have earnings. Okay. Okay, CME Group. Okay, I see. This could hold. Yeah, it could hold if it holds this level. Watch it around here. This looks bullish. It don't look weak. Uh, Yeah, it's still dark. Just pivoting up, kind of. Yeah. Now, Pan W, on the other hand, does not look strong. Pan W might dump ER, guys. When is it? Tomorrow after. Yeah, watch it right here. 70. Yeah, I'll 361.50 below our watch shorts. It looks heavy though. It's heavy. It looks heavy. Might be the early dump for ER. And last two is this one. The alert went off on Friday. Just want to see how it looks today. And I want to talk about Verizon, and that's it. And then I'll take any names y'all got. So this alert went off Friday on the daily. It looks good. I just don't know if the cons move. We gotta see. Okay. So alert hit at this level and it went all the way to what? Okay. Probably didn't move. The cons probably didn't move. But they supposedly have some deal with Campbell Soup going on. So I don't know if that's what's going on with them, but I'll watch it tomorrow. I'm gonna reset this alert though. And put it around here. 50. It's not 50, that's just 53. And Verizon looks good. Does I mean not super good. I mean if it pivots here, we're good. We're still it can't go below basically 40, 40-10. So I'm gonna put two alerts. I'll put an upside in. But these tints are getting lighter. So just by that, I could tell that the Bulls might want to come in on Verizon. It has to be around here, in my opinion, 90. All right, 90. All right, cool. Put puts, puts 39.74, 40. I will get the 40 puts, honestly. If we could get in before it slices through 40, because I believe it could go to 39, like 80 or 70, and then if you wait till down here, you could bounce off the 50, and you don't want to get caught in that trap. So, and we're still technically still in a bull market. I mean, mm, I ain't yet telling me we're bearish yet. Pullback was well needed on Friday, in my opinion. But short week ahead, so could be a chop fest, and the Bears could win it just because it's choppy, So just be prepared and be patient. That's what I'll say. Y'all got anything y'all want me to talk about before I let y'all go?
I was gonna say Merck insane macro breakout potential, and CVS looks like it's kind of bullish for continuation. And I got ET as well.
Yeah, Merc does look good for upside, bro. I agree with you. CVS also, yes. Yeah, CVS looks good.
Real good, huh?
It might be well, we were talking about health sector rotation during the week, so yeah, these look good. These look good so for long, so I will watch health sector. And you said another one?
ET, bro. ET looks crazy on the daily, but I don't know because it's been running so much.
Mm, maybe. Yeah, it does.
I was looking at the sectors too. Energy looked great as far as XLE.
Yeah. Let's talk about DVN because I did like the DVN on Friday. See how we ended up closing. Oh, look, DVN, if it holds the 200, I mean the 50, we definitely gonna go higher. Yeah, DVN, look, wow, look at this RSI. Everything looks good. Yeah, well, I'll say energy and health will be the ones to watch, I think, if y'all were looking for some bulls.
I like your retail as well because we got Macy's earnings coming up. TJX, I believe, earnings is coming up.
Okay.
Don't we have retail sales this week too?
I believe so. Yeah,
What this is what's happening so far this week, bro. Look. I don't see. I see manufacturing.
Yeah, I know we're gonna have initial jobless claims.
Yeah, I don't see no retail sales.
Okay, then it was existing home sales. My bad.
No, no, you got shit. Uh,
Okay.
I
SK, bro. That was the one that I texted out to you guys. I was checking out the options, and then I was checking out the daily too. Like, seems like another ANDE, like the Andy stock that we discovered. Um,
which one?
CLSK, Clean Spark, I think is the company's name. SK, yeah. It's a nice little flag with a gap up holding. Still, earnings already passed. It's holding its peg post earnings gap, and a little bit overbought. But if it breaks this flag, options move really nice. I think weekly um 19s or 20s. Next week 20s would probably be more ideal because it's a short week.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
All right, fire.
And then you don't have to check those charts. Just watch out tomorrow, guys. Roku SMCI downside day two continuation. Roku already shot the bed for post earnings, so maybe they can continuously drift lower, and SMCI maybe it has a day two downside before the video earnings. That's it.
Uh,
See, for your clean spark is a Bitcoin
Oh, it's a
mining. Yeah, it says Bitcoin and mining technology.
thank you, bro. Didn't
Yeah, that's sellers.
Bitcoin go ape shit this week?
Yeah, it did. Bitcoin's gonna go fucking ape shit.
Great.
Bitcoin is
Hey,
going ape shit.
Hey Cam, and Steve too, actually, the whole team. Check out I guess there's a deal between Capital One and Discover. Discover's
oh,
up
dude,
20% and
Oh, I
that
Capital
forgot
One,
about that. Yeah.
yeah,
yeah,
no, I literally
DFS.
the chat and I forgot to thank you, Nami.
I forgot to
And it's
talk about that one. Yeah.
just look at
Discovery high
Robinhood. Robinhood
watch.
says it's up 5% on Robinhood and Discovery's up 20%.
Of course,
Oh
Discovery's gonna
my God. Of course
back.
it
This is
is.
insane, man. Yeah,
oh,
and I was texting my options my
DFS.
guy like, yo, this shit would drop.
Oh my God. They are ripping Discovery.
Yeah, Rose cover's flying.
Jesus Christ.
So that might be an interesting, like, catalyst ER type of play. Try to find a bounce or try to find a reject. I'll
DFS.
I'll be looking at those to see something might happen. Obviously, more Discover than Capital
Yeah,
One. If Discover's
I
up
have
20%
Good reminder, bro, because I posted that shit earlier and forgot to talk about it.
I was texting the chat, but that's the one that that's the group chat that Nami's not in. We have Android users in there, and we'd be blowing shit up.
then Cam for swings, check out ACI Albertsons. We're in the same boat with these consumer staples. You've been hitting those up with GIS, so check out ACI, and then Tilray as well. I don't know what's going on with weed. Mosaic's MSOS doesn't do anything, but fucking that's the wrong ACI.
Yeah, you're right. I'm gonna change it right now.
Hey,
Okay.
whoa, that's a different ACI. That's fire. Dope, man.
These both just like they reclaim the 21. They close with volume on the 21. Looks like
Nice.
looks like they're nice swings.
Yep,
Have
yep.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah, marijuana might rip tomorrow. You're right. It's a big demand there.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on with weed. Sundial looks good as well, but Tilray looked a little bit better with the close over the 21.
Right, right.
And the last one, check out also your Dominion, bro. I think this is
Ah,
gonna fucking do your thing.
DH Dominion Oregon.
I think it's gonna do it, bro.
Yeah, the
Nice.
Gonna
earnings.
reach to 21. It might gold cross to 21 this time. This might be
Oh,
1,000%er. Yeah, with earnings.
Mm-hmm.
good
You're right.
eye, man.
Good
Oh
eye.
yeah.
The utility too. That's an XLU play. It's a heavy contributor to the XLUs with NEE. So
With
You
any
work.
eat their energy. Okay.
Yeah, next era.
yep, next era. Big.
Got the boat. We got the boat. Look.
Got a lot of shit to watch tomorrow. All right, GG gang. Thank you. Definitely looking forward to tomorrow, guys.
All right.
What up, Munchkin?
Appreciate that.
Good
All
night,
right.
mama.
Say good night, mama. Bye. Recording. All right, Joe.
I'll catch you in the morning. Y'all get some
All right,
rest.
guys. See you in the morning. Have a good night.
All right.
Thanks.
Of course.
Yeah.
You're welcome, gang.
Thanks,
You
man.
good.
Appreciate it.